Hey everyone, welcome back. But what if you could avoid that anxiety altogether? Especially when it comes to Ally Bank, a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts. So, if you're an Ally Bank customer and you're wondering, how much cash can I actually withdraw? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Ally Bank ATM withdrawals, debunking myths, and making sure you never get caught short again. Let's get started. Ally Bank, the online advantage. First things first, Ally Bank is a fully online bank. That means no physical branches to walk into, but a whole lot of convenience for managing your money on the go. They offer a variety of accounts, including checking, savings, and money market accounts. And guess what? All these accounts come with debit cards that allow you to withdraw cash at ATMs. But here's the catch: since there are no Ally Bank ATMs, you'll be relying on out-of-network ATMs. That might sound scary, but don't worry, we'll cover the fees associated with that in a bit. Daily withdrawal limits: how much can I take out? Alright, let's get to the brass tacks. The amount of cash you can withdraw from Ally Bank per day depends on the type of account you have and your account history. Here's a breakdown. Basic checking account. This account offers a standard daily withdrawal limit of $300. Ally Bank might raise this limit based on your banking activity, but always check with your bank statements or contact them directly to confirm your specific limit. Interest checking account. This account steps it up a notch with a higher daily withdrawal limit of $500. Again, this is a standard limit, and Ally Bank might increase it based on your history. Online savings account. This account is for building your savings nest egg, so withdrawals aren't exactly encouraged. However, Ally Bank does allow withdrawals through ATM transfers. We'll get to that in a minute, with a daily limit of $6,000. Keep in mind, there might be additional restrictions on frequent withdrawals from savings accounts, so be sure to review Ally Bank's account agreement for details. Understanding ATM network fees. So, we know Ally Bank relies on out-of-network ATMs. That means you might get hit with some fees. Here's how it works. Ally Bank fees. The good news is Ally Bank itself doesn't charge any withdrawal fees, regardless of the ATM you use. This is a major perk compared to traditional banks that often charge fees for using out-of-network ATMs. Out-of-network ATM fees. However, the ATM owner themselves might charge a fee for using their machine. These fees can vary depending on the ATM provider, so keep an eye out for a fee notification before you complete your withdrawal. Ally Bank recommends using ATMs within the Allpoint network, which offers surcharge-free withdrawals for Ally Bank customers. You can find Allpoint ATMs using their locator tool https://www.allpointnetwork.com/locator. ATM transfer, an alternative way to withdraw cash. Let's say you need more than your daily withdrawal limit, or maybe you just can't find an Allpoint ATM. No worries. Ally Bank offers ATM transfers as an alternative. Here's how it works. You'll initiate the transfer through the Ally Bank app or website. You'll select the amount you want to withdraw and enter the debit card details and PIN for the ATM you want to use. Remember, it has to be a Visa or MasterCard. Ally Bank will then process the transfer, and you'll be able to collect your cash at the ATM. There are a few things to keep in mind with ATM transfers. It might take longer than a standard ATM withdrawal, typically 1 to 2 business days. There might be a fee associated with the transfer, so always check Ally Bank's website for current rates. Maximizing your withdrawals, tips and tricks. Here are some pro tips to help you get the most out of your Ally Bank ATM withdrawals. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need a large sum of cash, consider an ATM transfer a few days in advance. Find Allpoint ATMs. Ally Bank reimburses out-of-network ATM fees incurred within the Allpoint.